Hey guys, in this session let us learn how to search or find a pattern from a particular string, either from a text file or from the command line. Say for example, if I have multiple rows like this, I learn shell, I learn Oracle, I learn Linux. So in this case, if I need to filter out the rows which contain only shell, then I can use this grep command to filter out this particular line and print the output. Okay, grep means global regular expression pattern. So this is specifically used to filter only a specific pattern from the text. Okay, say for example, I create a sample text file using touch. Okay, now I'll copy the content of first script to this sample.txt file. Okay, if I cat this sample.txt file, I have all the contents which are stored in first script and they are copied to sample.txt. Now if I need to print the lines which contain do. Okay, so in this case, second line contain do and last line also contain do, right? So it is done, but you can see the specific part of this word contains do, right? So these two words will be printed from this sample.txt. Now let us see how we can do that. Using grep, I use double quotes or single quotes and use this pattern. Okay, now I give the file name. So this is the these are the arguments that you give. Okay, grep followed by the matching pattern or the pattern to be searched followed by the file name. Okay, now whatever text that contains the word do are printed. Okay, so this is very effective. Okay, whenever you try to parse any files that contains a specific pattern of string, you can use this grep. Okay, you can also check the man page. Okay, there are multiple variations that can be used with grep. Okay, you can try each and every pattern. You can also see different examples using each and every variations. Okay, so if I need to exclude a particular pattern and print the remaining results from the file, I can use this -v. Okay, exclude in the sense, if I need to exclude only the word which contains do from the sample.txt file and print the remaining items or the remaining strings. Okay, so this is kind of negating the particular pattern. Okay, negating in the sense accept or exclude this pattern and print the remaining results. Okay, so here you can see do and done is not printed. So except do and done, everything is printed. Okay. Similarly, you can also use grep-e to find multiple patterns. So if I need to find the lines containing do, also echo. Okay, now only these lines will be printed, do and this echo part and this done. Okay, now you can see I have used pipe to separate each and every string pattern and printed the results. Okay, since there may be multiple different patterns that you may need to search in case of any pattern finding. Okay, in those cases you can use multiple strings like this, not only 2 strings. You can also use many strings inside this argument. Okay, now you can see except this while line, every other lines are printed. Okay,